Hey there, welcome to today's video. Today, we're diving into an interesting problem that can occur when working with generic types in Swift. So, here's the problem. When dealing with generic types such as box_t, we expect them to be invariant, meaning box_rect and box_square are distinct types. However, there's a scenario where this expectation seems to be challenged. Now, let's talk about the solution to this problem. It's all about understanding the relationships between the types involved. In this case, even though box_square and box_rect are distinct types, a square is still a rect. Therefore, when constructing a box_rect, using a square as the rect is perfectly valid. The key here is that the inheritance relationship between square and rect allows for this assignment to happen without any issues. In summary, while generic types are indeed invariant in Swift, the inheritance hierarchy plays a crucial role in determining type compatibility in certain scenarios like the one we explore today. I hope this explanation helped clarify this interesting behavior for you. Well, that's all for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment below with your favorite Swift quirk. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!